Hello, welcome back. Today I'm sharing how to create this sleek low bun. It's the perfect hairstyle heading into the holidays, for a night out, or even bridal. Let's get started. To prep the hair, apply a heat protectant and straighten it to give it a smooth finish. Now take your favorite gel and focus it all throughout your crown. Don't forget your nape. Then gather your hair into a low ponytail and comb it until there's no bumps. Truly, this is the most difficult. And then I like to use a beard brush to clean up the neckline. Next, secure your ponytail. I like to use a DIY hair bungee for this because it keeps the base smooth, and then apply more gel throughout your ponytail to secure any layers. For the bun, place your index and middle finger on your left hand beneath the base. Wrap your ponytail down and around and up the right side. Then tightly twist your ponytail clockwise 1 to 2 times, then wrap over the top of your ponytail, bringing it underneath and out the right side. If you still have ends, repeat by twisting them clockwise and wrapping them above your previous twist and under and out the right side. To secure, I'm using bobby pins and hooking the outside of my twist and making sure to wiggle the bobby pins as I push them to make them extra secure. Then a light mist of finishing spray to slick down any stubborn flyaways and add shine. How simple yet beautiful. I really hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!